How to drop a pin on Google Maps on Android. This tutorial shows you how to mark any location on the map quickly and easily. First, open the Google Maps app on your Android device. After that, search for a location using the search bar at the top, or just browse the map to find the spot you want to pin. From there, press and hold on any area of the map where you want to drop a pin. At this point, a red pin will appear on that spot, and a details card will pop up at the bottom of the screen. In the next step, scroll at the bottom to open the full options for that pin. Following this, you can tap on Save to add it to your saved places, or tap on Share to send the location to someone else. Once done, if you want to get directions to that pinned location, tap on Directions and choose your preferred route. From here, if you want to label the pin, tap on Save. Select a list like Favorites or Want to Go, and the pin will be stored under your saved places for easy access later. At this stage, to remove the pin, simply tap anywhere else on the map, and the pin will disappear automatically. Finally, if you want to share the exact coordinates of the pinned location, tap on the details card, and you'll find the latitude and longitude listed. Tap on it to copy and share it. And that's it. If this guide helped you drop a pin on Google Maps, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.